Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Grab location. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Grab application on my mobile phone. Okay, this is my Grab application, and then I'm going to show you how we can change our Grab location. You can choose food by car or mart. For example, I'm going to choose food, and we can choose the location we want the Grab delivered to. And if you want to change the location, you can select this one. Let's say that you want to order a food and you want to change your location. You can select this one, and you just need to select, for example, your current location or other location. If you want to use your current location, you can select this one, okay, and then the food will be delivered to your current location. But if you want to select another location, you just need to search here, like this guys. Okay, you can search for the location, and after that you will be able to change your location on Grab. That's so easy, right? And here you'll be able to change your country and your city. This is my current city, and this is my current country. Okay, you can use the bike or car as well to change your location. For instance, you want to order a Grab bike, so you can select bike, and if you want to change the location, you can select where to. Okay, right. Okay, you can select your current location or other location. Here is for your suggested location, and this is for the saved location. You can save your location, guys, to make you easier to choose the location. You can add your home, add work, and it's up to you. All right, and you can use the Grab car or Grab Mart as well to change your location. All right. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change Grab location. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys. Hope this video helpful for you.